All you need to know about Shopify POS. If you own a physical store, then you know how important it is to have a reliable point of sale system. A point of sale system allows you to process sales and payments, track inventory, and manage customers. In the past, POS systems were complicated and expensive, but today there are many affordable and easy to use options available, such as Shopify Point of Sale. Keep listening to learn everything you need to know about Shopify POS. How does Shopify Point of Sale work? Shopify Point of Sale is an iPad app that you can use to run your store. It's easy to set up and use, and it's very affordable. With Shopify POS, you can process sales, track inventory, add customers, and more. Plus, all of your data is stored in the cloud so you can access it from absolutely everywhere. Click the link down below to set up a one-on-one demonstration. Shopify Point of Sale System is available for all Shopify plans. You can run Shopify through an iPad on your local Wi-Fi network or use it from your phone on the go. Is Shopify Point of Sale right for my business? Shopify Point of Sale is a great option for small businesses that need an affordable and easy to use POS system. It's also a good option if you already use Shopify for your online store because it integrates seamlessly with your existing Shopify account. If you have a large or complex business, then Shopify Point of Sale might not be the right fit because it doesn't offer all of the features that some more advanced and specifically customized POS systems do. But if you're just starting out, or if you have a small or medium-sized business, then Shopify Point of Sale is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, Shopify POS is a great option for small businesses that are looking for an affordable and easy to use point of sale system. It's also a good choice if you already use Shopify for your online store because it integrates seamlessly with your existing Shopify account. So if you're in the market for a POS system, be sure to check out Shopify Point of Sale. Click the link down below and get your questions answered personally by an expert. Beep boop, beep boop. And it will never stop because I'm not talking.